Moving on to vowel of the week, we have the first vowel in the chart. Let me just move the table. 2, 3, 4, and U is special. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, E, I, O, U. Right, so this is our first vowel in the grid. Actually, we had one before, didn't we? We had one of the blue ones. But yeah, this is our first official vowel in the grid. And it is AE, which is found in words such as man. I'm actually not sure what that corresponds to in the lexical center. I'm going to have to check. Trap. Yes, it's the trap vowel. Trap. And in some American accents, it's also merged with palm. Trap and palm. Palm, yes. This is the trap. Trap vowel. And bath. Yeah, also bath, but that's the long version. Nope. No, never mind. I was looking at the wrong thing. Yeah. As I was saying, no, the bath vowel is the same in American English, actually. Yeah, there are two. GA stands for General American, by the way. It's like a general American dialect, a standardized American dialect. You usually see like intellectuals speak it, for example. It's a prestige dialect, essentially. Trap and palm. Those are the two lexical sets that AE falls into. How is it spelt? Well, it's found in words such as man. As I said, it's spelled in like. It's regularly spelled laxe. Right? A trap vowel, obviously found in trap, and as you can see, this is also a laxe. It's honestly, in the grand scheme of things, one of the less common vowels. You'll see in words like lax. That's not the same vowel as man. Lax, man. No, that is the same vowel. Never mind. But yeah, lax, man, lax, man, no, not quite the same, might be, but I think generally it is the same vowel. Lax, yeah. Anyways. It's sometimes irregularly spelled with tense A, so the word have. It contrasts. So there are a bunch of vowels that are spelled like similarly, but they're very different. And here is just some to watch out for. Some. Sorry, no, same. Same. Want, lava. Obviously, this is reduced So arduous. Alright, this is black. Same. Right? These are not the same vowels. Man and same. Man and want. Man and lava. If you pronounce any of these the same, you're wrong. And you're not a native speaker. I think I should clarify that. While there are certainly quite a divergence in accents in English, and I certainly can't speak for every single accent, if you are a second language speaker, of English, this is wrong. Pronouncing all these words the same is wrong. I don't know if you're like, I don't know if you speak like Highland Scottish English or something, but if you're a second language learner, that's wrong. Anyways, the R version can be spelled normally if the second syllable is unstressed, and ARR if the next syllable is a vowel. So for example, man, mare, man, mare, man, mare, man, and air. No, not the same. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know why I didn't prepare a sample. I'll just go through some words. Right? March. Man, march. No, it's one syllable. Man, marquee. Man, and, are. Yeah, man, marquee. Let's go with marquee. Alright, same vowel. Same vowel. But it can also be spelled ARR. I do have an example for this one in words such as barrel. I will again highlight vowel. I'll highlight the wrong vowels in this one too. Alright. I believe that's the end of... Yeah. Oh, no. My bad. It can also be spelled A-L. I also don't have examples for this, but man... Meal? No. Man... Male? Yeah, male. Notice how this is, man, may, a, man, no, that is just a regular tense. But, you see my point? This spelling is very confusing. I don't know why I didn't prepare samples for these either, but, whatever. I'll keep this on the, no, I'll redraw this. That's the end of all the week. The AL examples are pretty